UK and Spain? Well, welcome to Gibraltar. Let's explore the iconic Rock of Gibraltar and meet the wild Barbary macaque, and then step into the stunning St. Michael's Cave with its natural acoustics for a concert hall.
Then wrap it all up with the classic fish and chips. One stop, monkeys, caves, and British bites. Welcome to our channel. With 70 years of combined experience as educators, we're taking our love of learning on the road.
Life after retirement is full of adventure, and if you can't travel the world, we'll bring the world to you, one city at a time. And we set off from Ben Almadena on a tour bus, excited for a unique adventure, visiting Gibraltar.
When we arrive, we step off the bus and literally walk across the border. Just like that, we're in the UK.
From there, we hopped onto a smaller bus that took us up to the famous Rock of Gibraltar with incredible views all around, including Africa from afar.
Into the Barrel of Brandy before his journey home. Then, after the Battle of Trafalgar, in the Parsons Lodge Battery, and then expand the rest of Gibraltar. In Camp Bay, which locally is known as the Quarry, we used to mine a lot of limestone for the construction projects we had across the rock. The biggest one was the dry docks, which we will see as we scale the rock. Now, to the right of us, which is technically south, that is Africa. You can see there in the distance. That is Jebel Musa or Mons Avila across the Straits of Gibraltar. And don't worry, guys, we've got a 10-minute stop at Europa. Years ago, during Greek mythological times, 24 months for that to do so. Romantic, so I like the Hercules story. Now, on the left side, we have a waterfall.
Our journey continued into the stunning St. Michael's Cave, a cathedral-like space filled with towering stalactites and stalagmites.
And with its dramatic lighting and incredible natural acoustics, it now hosts concerts, turning this ancient cave into a truly unforgettable experience.
Then we met the island's most famous residents, the wild Barbary macaques, Playful, curious, and completely unforgettable.
So the legend says that as long as the Barbary macaques stay on the Rock of Gibraltar, it will remain under British rule. In fact, when their numbers dropped during World War II, Winston Churchill brought even more to keep the legend alive.
We had lunch at the Royal Calpe restaurant. Delicious fish and chips. And don't forget the dessert.
And from crossing borders to exploring caves and meeting monkeys, this day trip was truly one of a kind.
For our tips, we recommend that you bring your passport, visit the Cave of St. Michael, and enjoy the fish and chips.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.